We have reached the 21st day of hearing, and a lot of things have developed during the period. We have dealt with summons, applications, as evidenced by the daily diary of items that we need to deal with. It is also important that as we are also nearing the crucial period of the next few months, where the attention and the shift in the way things can be viewed, I must also stress very clearly this morning that we have a duty, and this duty are important for all of us as we go through during the period of this inquiry. And thanks for the attendance this morning. And I believe that as we deal with these agenda items, which I have about 13 of them in front of me this morning, we will get through them as we proceeded on. And as the time that I have expressed so many times are getting shorter, it is also very important that the overall objective of this Commission of Inquiry is on foot and it's progressing very well. So with further ado, as I lean to the proceeding this morning, Council, guide us through this morning.
Good morning, Commissioner.
Morning.
Commissioner, the first item we'd like to call is item number 1. It's in relation to summons number 21. It's for mention issued to the Prime Minister, Honorable James Marape.
Yes.
Commissioner, you will recall the summons was adjourned, or rather extended from the 5th of April to today. The lawyer for the Prime Minister, namely Mr. Moses Ninkama, who was assisting Mr. Ronald Nale, indicated that they were working on an affidavit in response to the summons. I understand from email exchanges between the lawyers for the Prime Minister and the Commission that they are still working on that affidavit, Commissioner. And in the circumstances, I propose that the summons be extended to Tuesday, the 19th of April at 10 a.m. for mention. So if a direction could be issued to that effect, Commissioner.
Thank you, Council. In response to that, the Commission directs that summons number 21, dated 17 March 2022, issued to Prime Minister Honorable James Marape, is extended to Tuesday, the 19th of April 2022 at 10 a.m. for mention. Dated is 14th day of April 2022 and authorized by the Commission. Thank you, Council.
Commissioner, the two related summonses are to be called listed as agenda number 2 and 3. I propose to call item number 3 first. That's the summons relating to Ballymore number 39 Limited. That's the summons number 4. Now, Commissioner, the purpose of calling that summons ahead is because we propose to tender documents, rather 606 documents that were produced to the Commission by way of a second tranche of documents from Ballymore number 39 Limited. Now, Commissioner, the lawyers for Ballymore number 39 Limited, namely Ashurst, have indicated by correspondence as late as 18th of March 2022 that they do not have any objection to the tendering of those documents. Now, Commissioner, in the index that they had initially provided, there were 602 documents. We've mentioned that there are 606 documents, and for the record, if I can indicate, document number proposed to be tendered 603 is a letter dated 14th March from Ashurst to the Commission. Document proposed to be tendered as Ballymore 604 is an affidavit of Lubia Evore sworn on 14th of March 2022. Document 605 is a letter also from Ashurst dated 18th March 2022. And document 606 is the index relating to the tendering of those documents. So, Commissioner, if I could submit that the documents produced by Ballymore to the Commission be tendered into evidence and correspondingly be marked as exhibits Ballymore-Trench 2-1 to Ballymore-Trench 2-606 inclusive.
Thank you, Council. Yes, in response to that, I admit those documents produced by Ballymore to the Commission on the 15th of March 2022 into evidence and correspondingly mark them as exhibits Ballymore-Trench 2-1 to Ballymore-Trench 2-606 inclusive.
Thank you, Commissioner. And for the record, if summons number 4, issued to Ballymore number 39 Limited, also be extended to Tuesday, the 19th of April at 10 a.m. for mention.
Yes, Council, in response to that, and to that effect, the Commission directs that summons number 3, dated 10 December 2021, issued to Kedon Brothers Holdings NG Limited is further extended to Tuesday, 19th of April 2022 at 10 a.m. for mention, dated this 14th day of April 2022 and authorized by the Commission. And similarly, in response to that, the Commission directs that summons number 4, dated 10 December 2021, issued to Ballymore number 39 LTD, is further extended to Tuesday, 19th of April 2022 at 10 a.m. for mention. Again, dated this 14th day of April 2022 and authorized by the Commission. Thank you, Council.
Thank you, Commissioner. And I noticed that the Commissioner also extended the summons in relation to Curtin Brothers Holdings NG Limited.
Yes.
That's summons number 3. So we also confirmed that that was an application to extend that summons as well, Commissioner.
Yes.
Now, Commissioner, turning to item number 4 on the list, that's the return of summons number 7 for mention. Summons issued to the Secretary, Department of Treasury, Mr. Andrew Owake. I understand my friend is in attendance for Mr. Owake.
Thank
I
you.
could invite my friend to just enter appearance formally for the record, Commissioner.
Morning, Commissioner. Ms. Keva, I appear
Good morning.
for Acting Secretary, Department of Treasury. Commissioner, I believe last Thursday the department tendered 73 documents into evidence.
That's right. Yes.
Thank you, Commissioner. That is the position. Documents were tendered. I am instructed by Mr. Keeper, who was taken ill this morning, Commissioner, that the Commission, or he intends to examine Mr. Owake at a date to be advised once he is available. Commissioner, in those circumstances, if I could apply for the summons to be extended to Tuesday, 19th April 2022 at 10 a.m. for mention.
Thank you. I'm satisfied with that, and therefore, the Commission directs that summons number 7, dated 6 January 2022, issued to Acting Secretary, Department of Treasury, Mr. Andrew Oake, is further extended to Tuesday, the 19th of April 2022, at 10 a.m. for mention. Dated is 14th day of April 2022, and authorized by the Commission. Thank you, Council.
Commission pleases.
Thank you, Commissioner. May I be excused?
Thank you for your attendance this morning. You can be excused from the Boston.
Commission, the next matter is item number 5, return of summons number 8, issued to the State Solicitor, Mr. Daniel Rolpagarea. Commissioner, you'll recall, and I'm instructed by Mr. Kipa, that there is an index of documents that has to be rectified by the Office of the State Solicitor, so that is currently being undertaken. So in those circumstances, Commissioner, if the summons could be extended to 19th April 2022 at 10 a.m. for mention.
Thank you, Council. I'm satisfied with that, and therefore the Commission directs that summons number 8, dated 27 January 2022, issued to State Solicitor Mr. Daniel Rolpagarea, is further extended to Tuesday, the 19th of April 2022, at 10 a.m. for mention. Dated is 14th day of April 2022, and authorized by the Commission. Thank you, Council.
Mr. Commission pleases. Next matter is item number 6, that's the return of summons number 9. That's a summons issued to the Attorney General, Dr. Eric Kwa. Commissioner, you'll recall when the matter last came before the Commission on the 7th of April, Ms. Kias appeared and informed the Commission that they were still awaiting approval from the NEC to release the administrative inquiry report that was commissioned by the NEC. As we have not received any indication from the Office of the Attorney General as to the status of that approval, Commissioner, I submit that it is appropriate to extend the summons to 19th April 2022 at 10 a.m. for mention.
Thank you. In response to that, Council, the Commission directs that summons number 9, dated the 27th of January 2022, to Attorney General Dr. Eric Kwa, is further extended to Tuesday, the 19th of April 2022, at 10 a.m. for mention. Dated is 14th day of April 2022, and authorized by the Commission. Thank you, Council.
Thank you, Commissioner. The next item is item number 7, summons number 13, issued to the Minister for Finance, Honorable Sir John Pundari, MP. Commissioner, you'll recall Sir John Pundari produced documents, and there was an index, a list of documents that was to be confirmed by Sir John Pundari. I understand that consent has not been forthcoming, but we expect that to be provided by the next return date, Commissioner. So in those circumstances, we ask that that summons be extended to the 19th of April 2022 at 10 a.m. for mention.
I'm satisfied with the circumstances, and therefore the Commission directs that summons number 13, dated the 27th of January 2022, issued to Minister for Finance, Honorable Sir John Pundari, is now further extended to Tuesday, the 19th of April 2022, at 10 a.m. for mention. Dated again this 14th day of April 2022, and authorized by the Commission. Thank you, Council.
Commission pleases. The next item is item number 8. That's the return of summons number 14, issued to the Secretary, Department of Lands and Physical Planning, Mr. Benjamin Sampson. Commissioner, in that particular summons, we're waiting for the legal officer, maybe Ms. Sonja Hoa, to confirm the list of exhibits that are to be produced and tendered to the Commission. So in those circumstances, Commissioner, we'd ask that the summons also be extended to the 19th of April, 2022 at 10 a.m. for mention.
In response to that, Council, the Commission directs that summons number 14, dated 27th January 2022, issued to Secretary, Department of Lands and Physical Planning, Mr. Benjamin Sampson, is further extended to Tuesday, 19th of April, at 10 a.m. for mention. Dated is 14th day of April 2022 and authorized by the Commission. Thank you, Council.
Commission pleases. The next item is item number 9, return of summons number 15, issued to the Registrar of Titles, Mr. Ala Ane. Commissioner, similar situation there. We are awaiting Ms. Sonja Hoa, the legal officer with the Department of Lands, to confirm the list of documents to be tendered. So if you could also ask that summons number 15 be extended to Tuesday, 19th April 2022 at 10 a.m. for mention.
I'm satisfied with that, Council, and therefore the Commission directs that summons number 15, dated the 27th of January 2022, issued to Registrar of Titles, Mr. Ala Ane, is further extended to Tuesday, the 19th of April 2022 at 10 a.m. for mention. Again, dated is 14th day of April 2022 and authorized by the Commission. Thank you, Council.
The Commission pleases. Item number 10 is the next matter that relates to summons number 16, Commissioner. It is a summons issued to the Honorable John Russo, MP, Minister for Lands and Physical Planning. Again, a situation in which Ms. Hoa approval is pending. So we ask that summons number 16 also be extended to the 19th of April, 2022 at 10 a.m. for mention, Commissioner.
I'm satisfied with that, Council, and therefore the Commission directs that summons number 16, dated 27 January 2022, issued to Minister for Lands and Physical Planning, Honorable John Russo, is further extended to Tuesday, the 19th of April 2022 at 10 a.m. for mention. Again, dated is 14th day of April 2022 and authorized by the Commission. Thank you, Council.
As the Commission pleases. Item number 11 is the next matter that relates to summons number 18, Commissioner, issued to the Secretary for the Department of Prime Minister and NEC, namely Mr. Ivan Pomeliu. Commissioner, I am instructed by Mr. Kipa and then applied to have that summons extended to the 19th of April 2022 at 10 a.m. I understand there are questions arising relating to that summons that Mr. Kipa would like to put to Mr. Pomeliu, but given Mr. Kipa's unavailability this morning, we will ask that the summons just be extended for mention to the 19th of April 2022 at 10 a.m.
Thank you, Council. Due to circumstances, and therefore in response to that, I'm satisfied on that. So the Commission now directs that summons number 18, dated 27 January 2022, issued to Secretary, Department of Prime Minister and NEC, Mr. Ivan Pomelo, is further extended to Tuesday, the 19th of April 2022 at 10 a.m. for mention. Again, dated is 14th day of April 2022 and authorized by the Commission. Thank you, Council.
Commissioner, item number 12 is the next matter on the list that relates to summons number 19, issued to the Valuer General, Mr. Gabriel Michael. Commissioner, that is a matter in which Mr. Gabriel has given evidence, as you will recall. And as indicated on the last occasion, we are to produce documents to a number of persons who are potentially affected by the evidence he has given. Now we received correspondence as of yesterday from Ashurst to X for Curtin Brothers and Ballymore for documents to be produced. Commissioner, we are in the process of having relevant documents produced to them for purpose of cross-examination of Mr. Gabriel, Mr. Commissioner. So if the summons could just be extended to the 19th of April 2022 at 10 a.m. for mention.
Again, Council, I'm satisfied with that, and therefore the commission directs that summons number 19, dated the 10th of February 2022, issued to Valuer General Mr. Gabriel Michael, is now further extended to Tuesday, the 19th of April 2022 at 10 a.m. for mention. Again, dated is 14th day of April 2022, and then once again authorized by the commission. Thank you, Council.
As the commission pleases. Now, Commissioner, that deals with the summonses that are returnable for mention. You will notice item number 13 relates to the general status of responses to the press statement, number 7 of 2022. It's just to update the public that we received written statements from Mr. Richards, Mrs. Juliana Kobach, and also Mr. Stanley Alphonse. So we have received all those statements as late as yesterday. So we are reviewing those documents. Otherwise, we have not heard from the other 21 persons listed in that press statement. So we basically give an update to the Commission and the public on the status of responses in relation to that particular press statement, Commissioner. Commissioner, on that note, we don't have any other business subject to any matters you wish to raise. We submit that the hearing be adjourned to 19th of April, 2022 at 10 a.m.
Thank you, Council. All matters now have been further adjourned to Tuesday, the 19th of April 2022. We are approaching the long weekend, and I know there will be a lot of activities that will be taking place. And from the Commission, I'd like to mention that you look after yourself and with your family, enjoy with your family during the long weekend. And until I see you again on Tuesday the 19th, Associate, please adjourn the matter to 19th of April.